In this video, how to recall email sent in Outlook. So let's start the video process. First you need to set up the email recall option in Outlook. So in the screen, click the settings gear icon in the top bar. Next, in this pop-up, you will need to click the email tab on the left of the screen. And again, you need to click Compose and Reply tab under Layout. Next, scroll down to Undo Send section. Here, you can move this slider and set up the email recall time. The maximum delay time for the email to be sent is 10 seconds. So once the undo send is set up, you can cancel the email sent within the specified recall time. Now let's confirm the compose and sending the email, and again recalling the email. Like a regular email, we can fill in all the content, like recipient's email, subject of the email, and the main email content. Once the email is sent, you will see the undo send option below. This tab will be visible for exactly 10 seconds, within which you can click the undo button and cancel the email being sent. Again, you can edit email and send it. With this we come to the end of this video tutorial. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.